All right, fellas, break number 5 of Hit Parade Series 6 Big Box to see if we can match the box that we just pulled. So you got 5 to 7 autographed items per box. This is going to be box number 3 out of 50 in this series. So still looking for that Luka Doncic jersey, and let's see if we can pull it out of here. So here is the rundown of the team, or excuse me, the spots. Doug, you've got 3. Rick, you've got 3. Todd M with 2. Tony with 1, and then Scott C, you've got the last spot. Oh, is that what it is? Texas. Okay, I thought I saw Texans. That makes more sense. That's why it would be 27. All right, so every spot's going to give you 2 random last name letters. So first thing we'll do is go ahead and randomize the 20 letters that we're using. So they got to play in a single A stadium. That's crazy. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. There's no fans. Still. All right, let's randomize this 5 times. Lana, yeah, hang on just a second, and I'll, if you scroll up through the chat, you should see I posted it earlier. It's just paypal.me/Tennskin. So let me know if you have any trouble with that, and if you do, I can send you the invoice directly. All right, let's go ahead and randomize this 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So Doug, you've got last name letters E, W, L, or excuse me, yeah, N, L, V, and B. Rick, you've got T, D, F, J, C, and G. Scott, you've got P and S. Todd, you've got M, A, Y, and K. And then Tony, you've got H and R in this one. All right, so box number 3. Let me show you, it's all sealed up here. All the seals intact. So in good shape. All right. Good luck, fellas. Let's see what we can get out of here. All right. First up, got a mini helmet. Is that another Texas Tech? Oh my gosh. How about some back-to-back Wes Welkers? W again. This time it's going to Doug. So Doug, you and Tony may need to talk, and you got to have the mini helmet going with the jersey. So it says something up. Guns up. Nice looking helmet there. They must have got a hold of a lot of Wes Welker stuff for this. Next up, ooh, nice one here. Chicago Bears great Gale Sayers jersey. Nice one there. It is PSA DNA certified. So last name S, that's going to be Scott. Nice one there. All right, Ryan, thank you, man. It's good to have you jumping in tonight. All right, what do we got here? We got more hockey, I'm thinking. Another AJ Sports World. Ho? Is it a Ho? Last name A, that's going to be Todd M. I got nothing. You hockey guys may know who that is. Sebastian Aho. So Todd, there you go, man. All right, so that's 3. We got 5 items in this. We gotta have something nice popping out of here. Coming up. All right, we got a Cincinnati. Is that going to be is it Tony Clark? Cincinnati Reds, JSA certified. It is an authentic Rawlings helmet. Oh, it's a Barry Larkin. I missed that L-A-R-K. So nice one there for last name L, which is going to go to Doug. Rick, we got to hit you something, man. This is crazy. Rick is usually pulling things out left and right. So nice hit there on the Barry Larkin, as you can see right there. Aho. Aho. All right. It's kind of what I said, right? All right, nice one there. And let's finish up. We got a 16 by 20 or some kind of poster. Seen something old school. Oh, dude. So I'm looking at that going, is that Dr. J? But I don't think it is. Who is that? George Gervin? George something? Hall of Fame 96 top 50 player. It is PSA DNA certified. It is George Gervin. Daniel, good night, buddy. Hope you can jump in with us next weekend. All right, so that's last name G, and we finally got one for Rick. Rick, there you go, man. Nice 16 by 20 there. Get the signature. All right, and that's going to do it on this one. So a couple nice items in there. Not nearly as good as the last one that we did. So we got one more of these. We're going to go ahead and break that one, and hopefully we can pull something nasty out of here.